Hello, good morning. This is my break time, and the window where I used to sit when I eat my banana or drink my water. This is what happened today, because in the night there are many minus, and this is what the glass of the window build something beautiful. It is like a branch of the tree, the Christmas tree, maybe branch of the pine tree. This is what the nature made. No human made it. It has been cold last night, and this is what the glass in the window build up. The glass frozen, and there is a drawing. The drawing is look like a branch of a tree, and that tree is we used to decorate during Christmas time. What a nature! What a nature! And a little bit